Alright, it's a new day. So the the mem test had run successfully, and we're going to do a cold boot of this machine. Let's see what will happen. So I haven't touched anything. It's currently off. It's been off for some time. Power on. Immediately. Great. Code 69. Code 4F. Code 63. Checking the GPU. Waiting to hear the post sound. 71. 62. 60, 99. Okay, we're at 99. Great. So that turned on immediately. Now, we're going to shut this computer down. Now, let's cut the power. Power is off. Take this out. Let's put the original GPU in. Okay. Power on. Power button. Immediately turning on. Beautiful. Shouldn't take long. We shall get a post. We can see 00. Fan is spinning. Of the GPU. Code 63. 71. 00. Turned off. Okay. Turn back on. 00. 15. 00. Still on. 69. 36. 43. 4F. 63. GPU fan has stopped. 71. We have post. GPU fan is not running. Probably because it doesn't need to. Okay, so that's good. A2 is the code and it has booted so far correctly. Yep, so A2 is the code. So what is the problem? And what is the temperature of the system? 1300 RPM, Corsair 24 degrees, CPU, nice, okay. Okay, i7 4th generation. Okay, we're gonna leave this job as is, so I'm assuming the graphic card is fine. And we'll put the blame on the BIOS for now. What else can we do? Another thing we can do, just an idea. Just an idea. Let's see if I can change the input. Here we go. Cut the power. Try a different power rail. Okay, power on. You can see the power codes rotating. Here we go. Okay, we have a post. Or we should have a post. Try again. Zero postcode. '69. Waiting for GPU fans to slow down. 4F. We should get the boots happening anytime now. GPU fan stopped. Now we should get a beep. 71. Yep. 62.99. Okay, there we go. Alright, we're going to leave it as is. Most likely it is could be a GPU issue or could be motherboard. Most likely motherboard, we don't know yet. But I'm going to say at the moment BIOS of the motherboard causing all these issues. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.